Auto repair doesn't have to be scary or expensive. What if there's a place that can care for your vehicle as well as your wallet? Welcome to Bridgeland Auto Brokers. We are not only a dealership, but a full-service auto repair facility with a different approach. Unlike most repair shops, you'll find that our transparency with pricing offers a comfort level that will be hard to find anywhere else. With the average labor rate at $110 per hour, our $78 is over $30 less. And with typical markups being 40 to 60% at most shops, our 20% only promise will keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket, where cars are cheap and service is even cheaper. It might be worth that 15-minute drive from Syracuse just down the street from Point Place Casino. Chain repair shops are kind of like expensive fast food, and we feel your car deserves better. So visit us at cleancarscheap.com to schedule an appointment today, where cars are cheap and the service is cheaper.